Consider getting the Touch and Go RFID to replace the old school tapping with physical Touch and Go card, or smart tag that either can't detect due to tinting films, broken, or need a battery replacement. Worry the RFID tagline, reverse, forward, inshallah, detect lah. For information, I'm one of the early pilot tester of this Touch and Go RFID program back in 2019. I've tried it on various sport and different vehicles. And guess what? I found the perfect spot. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast Wheel, episode 100. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Well, I didn't expect this to be the 100th episode. Thank you to everyone who's supporting this channel, even by just watching, leaving comments, and click the thumbs up button. Now, let's get back to the topic. Since now we can purchase the RFID online and install it on our own, we need to understand the Touch and Go installation guide, which is to stick on the upper left windscreen or left headlamp. It needs to have at least 5 cm away from any metal content. Because of different shapes and design of the car headlamp, the RFID detection may not work efficiently as it could be too close to metal surface like the bonnet or fender. This also goes to windscreen as some tinting may contain metal that affect the reading. If you notice, the keywords here is metal. RFID, radio frequency identifications, cannot pass through metal as the passive RFID system on the toll booth that try to read the tag would bounce off once it detected any metals near it. This made it unable to read the RFID tag. So, here's the best spot that I strongly recommend. First, the left bumper next to the vehicle number plate. Most car bumpers are made out of plastics, making them a great spot for RFID reader to detect without any issue. Though be mindful of stone chip, it's a small trade-off for convenience. Second, behind the vehicle number plate. Yep, exactly behind the number plate. It doesn't only protect it from stone chip, it also hidden from any vandalism. This only works on a plastic number plate, not those JDM with metal frame. Matter of fact, JBJ did consider introducing RFID embedded number plates early last year. There was already 95% of the world now using digital vehicle license plates, and Malaysia is one of the 5% statistic that yet follow suit. This means bumper or number plate are the best spot to have the RFID tags affixed. The success rate for me is 120% because it's placed on the most front of the vehicle. This allows instant reading. Then why 120%? Because there was once the car in front of me failed to detect its RFID, and this was an unwilling pay forward. The moral of the story is don't drive too close to other cars at the toll booth. What about you? Have you already jumped on the RFID bandwagon? If so, where did you place your Touch and Go RFID sticker, and how was your experience been so far? Let me know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.